In this video, I want to show how to use the revolve command to draw this part, number 49 in problem 9, sheet 9.6 on page 242 in the book, if you're using the book. Anyway, this has a 5-inch diameter, a 1.25-inch hole in the center of it, and it says small diameter of 3. That would be the inset diameter where maybe a belt would fit in this pulley, if this was a pulley. Might be a pulley. Anyway, and we'll look at the depth dimensions in a minute. So I'm going to start off with the 3 circles that are used for these 3 diameters. So let's go to AutoCAD and build those. 5, 3, and 1.25. I'm going to use my right side view first, and we'll draw a circle. So 5-inch diameter, 3, and the hole had a diameter of 1.25. Okay. The reason I'm using the right side view is I'm going to use these circles to draw this profile that this hatched profile right here, this U shape, and I'm going to use the revolve command or tool to spin it, if you will, or revolve it around the center of this pulley, basically the axis that it would revolve normally around if it were a pulley. So that's kind of what the revolve command does. That is what the command does. So anyway, I'm going to start with the polyline now. I'll start at the top here. Just pull it over here. Draw it all the way down to the top of the hole. That would be here. And this will come in the full 2 inches. And then go up, back up to the top. Just could use that other side. Comes in 1/2 inch. Comes back down to that 3-inch diameter. So this way I don't have to use the math. And close it. So now I have the shape and I have the center to revolve it about. So I select it, use the revolve command, pick anywhere along that center, draw any line, any length, and then we'll use 360 degrees to revolve it all the way around. Okay. There's the part. Hole built in and everything, so we didn't have to use like the union commands. I mean, I could have drawn 3 cylinders or 1 cylinder and copied it or something like that, and then drew another one to put a hole through it, which arguably would have been maybe just as easy, but at least I get to show you the revolve